Hi, this is ARUNACHALAM. Today let us analyze the stock DLF Limited. So currently after a breakout for long term, the stock looks bullish and we can also expect a good rally in the stock for short term, and short term rally is fine, but the stock is also good for long term. Just understand the financials and fundamentals of the company before taking positions in the stock for long term. So for short term, the stock is at support right now, so we can consider going long in the stock for short term. So this is the monthly chart of DLF Limited. So the stock was listed around the price range of 500, 520, and the stock reached the price range of 1000, and then the stock fell drastically till the price range of 120, and once again it made a dead cat bounce and it started moving lower from there, and the stock reached the low of 87, and currently the stock is in uptrend because the stock is making a good higher high and higher low formation. So we can consider this as a good uptrend, and currently the stock looks bullish for short term. So monthly chart shows the stock is bullish because the stock after a good consolidation it started moving higher. So this can be considered as a good sign for going long, and the stock after a good breakout it looks bullish and it is also moving higher and higher. So we can consider going long in the stock for short term. So now let's move to the weekly chart to analyze further. So this is the weekly chart, and we can consider going long in the stock for short term because the stock is making a kind of double bottom. So we can consider this as a good double bottom around the support region. So a double bottom near the support region is really a bullish sign, and we can consider the price range of 440 as the most primary target in the stock, and breakout of the price range of 350 can trigger a further rally. So the stock looks bullish in the weekly chart because the stock is at the support region. So accumulating the stock at current market price is fine, and the most primary target is around the price range of 400. So never take entry without any confirmation. So just take entry only after a good bullish candle formation. So now let's move to the daily chart to analyze further. But before moving to the daily chart, hit subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss any ideas, and join us on Telegram using the link given below in the description. In that group you can ask your doubts regarding any stock. We will be answering it as soon as possible. So this is the daily chart, and let me draw the most important trend line that governs the stock. So this can be considered as a good trend line, and we can consider the price range of 390 to 400 as a most primary target in the stock, and breakout of the price range of 400 can trigger a further rally till the price range of 440 to 450, and breakout of the price range of 450 can trigger a further rally. So one can consider entering the stock at current market price, or else one can enter the stock after a good bullish candle, which means the stock should break the price range of 340 for a good confirmation, or else one can also take entry above the price range of 350. So taking entry above the price range of 350 is fine, and the price range of 400 can be taken as the most primary target, which is almost 10% upside, and the stock after hitting the support looks bullish and forms a good consolidation zone. So we can consider this as a bullish sign, and taking entry above the price range of 350 is advisable, and the price range of 390 can be taken as the most primary target in the stock. 390 to 400 price range can act as a good resistance for the stock for short term. So we can consider this as a good resistance zone, and breakout of the price range of 400 can trigger a further rally till the price range of 450, which is another resistance in the stock. So the stock looks bullish, and we can enter the stock above the price range of 350, and the price range of 390 to 400 can be taken as the most primary target in the stock, and the price range of 450 can be taken as the next target if the stock breaks the price range of 400. So one can go long in the stock for short term. The stock is very good for long term also, but you should understand the financials of the company before entering the stock for long term. So one can also use 50-day exponential moving average to ride the trend. So take entry only on the breakout of the price range of 350, and the price range of 390 can be taken as the most primary target for short term, which is almost 10 to 11% upside, and the price range of 440 can be taken as the important target level in the stock. So a bearish signal around the price range of 400 can also be considered as a good reversal. So exit the stock, and we can consider this as a good accumulation zone. So taking entry above the price range of 350 is advisable. So that's all for today. If you like the video, hit like button, join us on Telegram, and finally thank you for watching our video.